So guys, welcome to my channel. Once I'm here at the site to come and see, witness the progress and how things are going. And so let us survey with you. So the gates, the sand was moved. The sand was moved, you can see this side. The other time it was all here. Yeah, it was all here. The dust has also been moved, as you can see. It's going down as they construct. My door still there. We shall do something about it later. And yeah, the building, they've reached there. This has taken long. I was told all the lines will be up by when? It was by Saturday. But what I'm seeing, it's like it's still, how many more stones? Let me see. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are now on the 10th one. 10th one. I think that's the last stone. That's the last stone. There's supposed to be 10. Yeah. Like the others are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the 10th one was that. Then the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. They're supposed to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10th one has been done. So now I can see. You can see here they've these are the still D8 and D10. D8 and 10 right there. Yeah, D8 and D10. And then they've done this ready for mounting on that floor there. This one's, they've done this. It's commendable job. It's a commendable job. Yeah. So this has already been done. They made this, but I'm wondering, why is this one here? Oh, or it's for another level. So yeah. So that is how things are. They're working on the timber right there. They're doing what? Shuttering. For it to be ready for the concrete and mortar. Right there. Yeah. This other side has not yet reached far. This other side. So that is what I've seen. Let me again go and see where the water is supposed to be. We're working on the guy of water work on it. Let me see what was done. Yeah. For him now to come and fix for us the water. Habari yako? Naendelea na kazi? Okay. So, it was supposed to be done here. Oh, they've done this. I'm wondering, where's the meter? So it's ready to be fixed. Yeah. So, that side. What's going on there? Yeah, it's that way. Yeah. Thank you. Let me call someone. So here where we've kept our cement, right here, and these are the rings made from D8. You can see them. These are rings. So they cut from the long bar. They cut them this way, and then they fold them. They fold them like this to make the rings. The rings that they use to join the D12 bar, D12 steel. Those ones, yeah. So that is how things are, yeah. So that has been done. Oh, here is where we had this has to be brought back, yeah. Had a fundi who did this, but it has to be brought back. So they are throwing things just like that. This one should be kept somewhere like that, yeah. So this is the project. This is how it is. This was designed when we started. So many things have happened, and so it has to be done again. Be done again now fully with everyone's number, and maybe we shall have a board. We thought that one was easier, but what we've realized that it's being washed when the rain here is too much, it washes it. So we shall just go for the board. So if this is a cement we had ordered for 100 bags. So it has been pushing the walling. But I'm wondering, yeah, that has been pushing the walling, yeah. So guys, stay tuned. So this is how the timber work is going, yeah, for us now to make a floor. So that is how it is going. That is how it's done. The side is like that. It will be a beautiful, beautiful home. Yeah, a beautiful home. So you can see they're still working. They're still working on this. So they put the timber right there. So the people of plumbing and electricity will come after this to fix the other things. So this is going to be a 1-bedroom unit floor. It's going to be 1 bedroom, 2 units right there. It's a heavy task ahead of us, but we pray that it shall be well. We pray it shall be well. So here, so they've been taking water from that tank right there. Had water there. There's something else I think I'll go and look for. So something to go and look for. Yeah. So those are people working on timber. Surrounding as usual. That. Then that is how things are. Yeah. So once that is done, they do the stoning, the walling, and then it will reach this level. So he was checking whether we can do that, and then continue with the walling. Then we continue with the walling to reach this level, and then do it again or whatever. But yeah, this is how things are. This is how things are. So that will become the 0 floor for that wing. 0 floor for that wing. So sitting room, bedroom, kitchen, toilet. sitting room, bedroom, toilet. Yeah, like that. Continue moving. Okay, continue moving up. Now I'm on the last floor here. Yeah. So this is how things are. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this side is like they've already reached the 10th. The 10th. So this one, we go in this way. We go in this way, and this is the sitting area. That's an open kitchen. This open kitchen here. This place has not been put up. Still left there. I don't know why. This is kitchen area. It's kitchen area. And then kitchen area. This is a washroom. This is a bedroom. First bedroom. Second bedroom. And then the wardrobe area, I think, will be somewhere here or something. Oh, the door will be here. Then maybe, yeah, that way. This is the master bedroom. It will be the master bedroom. Wardrobe will be here. And then there's toilet right there. Wardrobe here. Yeah. And the door will either be here or here. It could either be here or there. Maybe there. I think it will be there. Wow, it's coming out nicely. These are 2-bedroom unit, kitchen, and then there's a veranda. Veranda right here. Yeah, it's a big one. You can do your laundry. Yeah, you can do the laundry right there. Then Otiso, Jumbo. So this other one, this one now here, we have this walling has been done. I think it has also reached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it has reached there. And this one is, I think it's a bedroom. It's a bedroom with a wardrobe there. There's no toilet, it's just a big bedroom. Habari yenu? Naendelea na kazi. Hiyo ni poa. Okay. This side it has reached that level. Yeah. Hey, will I pass? Oh. Dixon. Umechoka sasa? Okay. So this side, let me see. This one, we've looked at it. So we are here on this other bedroom. This is a master bedroom. It is this other side with the wardrobe right to be there. This is a washroom because it's master in suit. So it's like that. And then we come to the common bathroom. Is this one right here with a big window there. And then this is an open kitchen right here. Work continues, guys. So here is the corridor. So we've talked of 2 units already. We've talked of 2 units. So we continue. We go to the last one. And the entrance we've seen. Yeah. We continue here. Kamba. That one. So there's another unit. You enter from here. The door is here. Yeah. Habari yako? Okay. So this one here is the sitting room. You come right away to the sitting room. And it's quite big. It's a big one, and then there's open kitchen right here, and the veranda right there, and there'll be a door there. How many doors will be this house? So many. Then there's a door right there. Let me see. So this wall hasn't gone up yet. Oh, they need a window here or what? Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, here. Yeah. Then come to this is the common toilet right there. There's a common toilet, and then we come to this. I think this is the master bedroom. It's also good size, because here is where we shall have here is where we shall have the what? Here we shall have the wardrobe here. There are two windows, this one and this one, big ones. And then we have here the washroom. And then the last room is that one, the one they are working on. So meaning this side, it hasn't gone up yet. It hasn't gone up. Still low. Yeah, this one still needs quite a number of people to work on it for it to reach that level. How many stones yet to be done? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So four lines. 4 lines to be done all through, all round. Yeah. So now this is, and then this one will remain there. It's an open kitchen, so it's that wall, and this whole unit has not been done. Yeah. And yet he said it will be done by when? It was supposed to have been done by Saturday. Hey, this window is big. This window is quite big. This one. Yeah. So this is the surrounding is like that. This is the surrounding, how it is. That is how the surrounding is. Mama is right here. Yeah, on the sides. Yeah. So thank you guys. This is your mom here. Mom Suji right here. So this bedroom is big. You can actually put 2 banga beds, as fellow the boy calls it, 2 banga beds. And then there's here where somebody can just rest. This is this house territory right here, and people pass. The other 2 can just pass there and go to their areas without any problem. Right here. Yeah. So this is how it is. This side, I think, yeah, they've reached, or it's one more layer. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side is finished. The first 2 units are finished. The last one is what they are working on. And I think it's a commendable job, given that we added, there used to be 2 units per floor. Now we've added 1 more. The other side was supposed to be 1 unit, 1 for 1 person. But it has been divided. Now it's for 2 people. For 2 people. My surrounding is bushy. Maybe I'll tell the young man, the one who sold for me this land, that the side is, that place is bushy. This tree, now we shall cut it. We shall cut the branches. Water is there, a lot of it. So just taking the water from there. That tank will always have water, so that that tank will always have water. So that's how that water stayed in that tank for the last 1.5 years. Yeah, but it has helped, because when the taps was stolen, they vandalized the meter area. At least the work has been going on. This is the 2nd week the work has been going on. So we thank God. Yeah. Thank God for that. What happened here? I really don't understand. What happened here? Were we supposed to have a pillar here? Or were we not supposed to? There's a problem here, I don't know. The other one, they'll have to work on it because I think the workmanship on the timber was not okay. The workmanship was not okay, so it did not come out nicely. Yeah. So he told me timber will not be enough. Yeah. But at least that house should run with that one so that we start on the other one. Mugambi, how are you? Eh? Yeah, tunafanyanga tu hivyo. Wacha tufanye tu hizi maneno. Ni kitu mzuri siku moja unakaa chini unaangalia. He's asking that I'm still taking videos. Yeah. It's my life. It's my life now. I transition to this one and I continue. He's the contractor. And I think he has so many sites. That's why he doesn't stay in one site for long. He comes, he goes around the sites, he checks the work, how it has been done. So that is him, Mr. Mugambi. That is Mr. Mugambi, contractor. Yeah. This is okay. The work is okay. Yeah. Let me go and see. I've seen the man for water is also there, right there. I think his name is called Haggai. Haggai, let me go and see what he's doing and why it was vandalized. It must be somebody who knows how to. It must be somebody who knows plumbing work to come and do what was done at that particular level. Yeah, so this side you can see how it is. Yeah. What is that? Are they pouring? What is that? Is it a leftover or something? Yeah. So materials here and there. And let us go and see the bit of water. The fixing of the water. Let's go and see how it's going. Otiso, you are so tired or what? Kweli wewe unasemaga hivyo umechoka. Hata asubuhi. Hata saa 4. Yeah. Wewe na Christopher. Nawajua. Anawajua. Nyinyi mnachokanga asubuhi. Nyinyi mnachokanga asubuhi. Alafu mnajishika kiuno hivi mnasimama. Time iende. Nawajua. I know you. So now let us go and see. Yeah, so there's a music here. So nirudishie hiyo music. Yeah, so now there's a music on the ground. I just want toa tu kidogo. Yeah, so I was telling him just to switch it off a bit so that I can take this. So Haggai.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Say hello to my viewers.
Yes, hi.
Yes.
I'm Haggai, the engineer, water department.
Wow.
I'm trying to restore this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
Coming by.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, why did they do all this? Why?
I just don't know. Because I just came.
Also, you've decided to put this one.
Yeah.
Plastic.
Because no one will come and pick this one.
This one. Oh,
yeah.
No one.
Because for the GI, I think the scrap metal people.
Yeah. You see even what they did.
Yeah.
You see what they did
So
here.
that's why I decided to do something permanent. No one is interested in the PPR part.
Oh.
Yeah.
They can only come and take this.
Yeah. But you see now, I don't know. I don't know if there's a caretaker in this place.
Yeah, there is now. I never used to have, but
yes,
now I have.
Yes, it is important.
Yeah.
Because you see, if they can come and do this, then next time they can pull out this one. It is good to have a caretaker.
They came and they cut there. They were even taking the big tank, the one that was there. It was rescued on this field. So when it was rescued by the neighbors. and so it's at the neighbor.
So it was that serious.
It was bushy, I got headache the day they corrugated that place. I got stressed, so I went because I said I am not going to die because of a building, no.
It is true.
So I think they saw it was so idle. They decided to come and serve themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But if you have the caretaker now,
Yeah, he's here.
be safe.
Yeah, true. Yeah. So guys, now it's time to close down. You can see they are trying to gather everything in one place as they clean themselves to leave for the day. Yeah. So that is how things are. So thank you guys. I want to close this blog at this moment, at the water point, right here. Me and Haggai here at the water point. Yeah. So thank you guys.